All right, good morning. It is the moment of truth for the ET8. If we remember, I got the ET8, trying to start it, it ran away and seized up. I went to BangGood is where I got it from, and they said they couldn't get parts and were going to send me a new engine. So I tore this one completely apart to check it out because I thought I was getting a new one, and then they were able to get parts, so they sent me the parts, and I had to reassemble it from the assortment of pieces that I had made it into. So we are finding out if I did a good job reassembling this or not. I am using pre-mixed 50-to-1 fuel in it, gasoline and oil. I have the throttle body set to the lowest setting on the carburetor here. The needle is adjusted for a half turn, and we'll see if it will start here. I did check it for spark already. Alright, let's see about priming it. Do I double checked this when I put it together. This is the right way around. So there's compression. Should be ignition. Oh. Exhaust now. Oh, there is no compression on this, and that I did check it for compression when I put it back together, so I wonder why it has no compression now. I guess it's time to investigate. The push rod fell down alongside the engine here. Well, the easiest thing is to... What is sticking out of the bottom here? There we go. The easiest thing is going to be to check the spark plug and make sure I got that tightened in. So... Yep, spark plug is tight. Yeah, there is some vague Alright. Intake valve open. I guess we'll pull those and just push and rotate the valves a teeny bit. Alright, maybe we have some fuel in it and it is going to... Yeah, maybe we have some fuel in it now and we can get it to run a little bit, and as it runs in it should settle together and get some compression. So we'll clamp this back down, because as we remember the last time, when it ran away and locked up, it flipped. So definitely fasten it down, flip the plug on, and alright, we got a pop out of it. There we go. The needle valve is open like a turn and a half or so for this, so. I'll put some water in there before I forget, because this engine is definitely going to run hotter than the hit and miss engines, since it fires every rotation. Oh yeah, that intake valve is leaking a lot. I can feel it pumping air back out through the carburetor there. So put a drop of oil on the valve stems, see if that works its way in and helps everything seal up. It's running at about half speed right now, or rather the throttle body's at half. We know that full speed is damaging, so we'll just let it get warmed up for a bit and we'll see how we can how it goes.